almost like a dream. See, if you still remember, there's a sound on top of the note. It's called fermata. It means you have to hold it twice longer than its value. If it's 2 beats, it means you pause it to 4 beats. And if it's 3 beats, it becomes 6 beats. Position, let's find the lowest note on the left hand, which is good birds don't fly away on A. But then it moved position in bar 3, become good birds don't fly. And then it moved back again in bar 5. This song is about moving hand from one position to another. Fifth, third, move to high C. And then take your time, right hand move back to A and left hand move to F. Move to high C again. Take your time when it's paused, right hand move to A, left hand come back to A. Towards the end, why I say slow down, because there is a musical symbol called RIT, R-I-T. It stands for ritardando. It's an Italian name. It means gradually getting slower. Slow version. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, start. Fast version. 1, 2, 3, start. Three, 4.